Hello traders, in today's video I will show you a simplified and effective approach to trading the linear regression channel. Now using this strategy I was able to make over $15,200 in a span of 1 month prior backtesting. Now I will show you my very own method when trading this strategy, how I deployed it with the rules and other tips. Make sure to follow and watch this video to the very end to be able to understand each concept and each simplified tips on how to trade this strategy effectively. With that said, welcome to TradeVox. Welcome back to TradeVox. Before diving into this strategy, let's look at the basics of linear regression channel. Now, trading linear regression channel is a method that involves identifying trends and potential reversal points. It can be a versatile tool for many trading strategies, from swing trading, breakout trading, momentum trading, also as an overbought and oversold indicator. Channel consists of two parallel lines, the upper line, which is referred to as the upper channel, and the lower, which is referred to as the lower channel. The upper line and the upper channel being the resistance, while the lower line and the lower channel being the support. Now, in order for us to use this my strategy, we won't be drawing the regression channel ourselves, but rather we will be using a trading view indicator, which is the linear regression channel indicator. Now, this indicator allows us to see 95% of price action that has occurred. In a regression channel, the starting of the channel itself is referred to as the anchor point. Now, the anchor point is this major swing where the regression channel started. Now, with that said, let's look into the strategy and how to use the strategy to take trades, profitable trades in the long run. Okay, here we are on the USDJPY 1 hour time frame on the trading view indicator. Now, to get this linear regression channel, we simply go to the indicators tab and we type linear regression. We will see this indicator right here under technicals. We click and it is going to be added to our chart. Now, what this trading view indicator does is shows us the main point where the price is moving in that certain period of time. So it shows us our anchor point where the swing starts, which is right here. We can see this is the start of the swing. So this is our anchor point for this linear regression channel. Now, as we have known our anchor point, we know that this channel is in the uptrend bias. Now, the simple strategy is once the linear regression channel, that is once price has touched the upper part of the linear regression channel, we should be ready to take our short position. Now, but how are we able to confirm that this short position is going to be valid? That is where we use the confluence strategy, whereby combining two indicators to get a certain price movement, so you'll be able to get better profitable opportunities. So for this indicator, we are going to be adding the RSI as our confirmation indicator. Under technicals, we add the RSI and it will appear on our chart. Now, as you can see here, this peak and this peak were in a confluence state whereby they agreed with each other. In the RSI, it showed overbought, indicating that the market is going to drop, while in the linear regression channel, touch the resistance part of the regression channel, shows that the price is going to drop. Now we enter our sell trade only when the price closes inside the regression channel, stop loss slightly above the upper part of the channel, then our take profit must be in the middle line. Now with all those conditions, the RSI be in the overbought region, this price action showing that the upper band, which is the resistance aspect of the linear regression channel, has been touched by price, then that is where we enter our valid sell trade. Now let's look at a buy example using this linear regression channel. Now on an entirely different chart, which is the EURJPY 1 hour time frame, the linear regression channel showed us a price movement from the anchor point, which is this swing right here, indicating a downward movement. So for our strategy, we have to wait for price to touch the lower channel line and the RSI to be oversold. And as you can see, the RSI is oversold while the price action, that is the candles, touched the line of the lower channel. So in that case, we take our buy position, our stop loss slightly above the lowest candle or the lowest wick, and our take profit should be always the middle line. Now as you can see, price touched this very well and easily. If you're able to use this strategy without forcing the markets to create opportunities for you, I'm telling you, in the long run, you'll be able to make a lot of money with caution. So my advice for you guys trying to trade this strategy is you have to probably backtest it and see if it suits your trading style to be able to carry out this strategy effectively. Now, the best part of using this strategy is that you can combine it with not only the RSI, but combine it with price action as well. The linear regression channel showed by creating this anchor point here, indicating an uptrend. Markets touched the upper band, markets touched the upper channel line, and as you see, it creates a quasi-model pattern. If you can see this here, if we go on a lower time frame, it will form a quasi-model pattern. Here we can see the higher high and the lower low right here. Now this is going to be our first confirmation that this price is going to go down. Then if we look at the RSI, it shows we are in the overbought region. So we take our sell position, stop loss slightly above the wick, the highest wick, then the take profit is going to be the middle line. With all these conditions set, our target will start easily. Now there are other ways and other methods of trading this strategy using the linear regression channel, but I prefer this strategy as it's going to be very simple for beginners and is easy to learn. There are other strategies, which is the breakout trading method using this linear regression channel, which I will talk later in other videos. But right now, I hope you understand this video and I hope you backtest this strategy and see if it suits your trading style. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos to your professionals and beginner traders looking to step into the trading game and make more profits. Now, may your trading journey be profitable. May you using the linear regression channel strategy be profitable for you in the long run. Now, before the final sign off of this video, let me give you some tips for success using this strategy. The first tip is combine the linear regression channel with other technical indicators for better information. You can either combine it with the RSI or the MACD and using price actions as well to be able to get precise entries. The second tip, be patient and wait for good signal. Not every touch on the channel line is a valid entry or exit point. Another tip, consider using multiple time frame, which is optional, but also it is a good guide to know your trends better and how to take longer trades using the regression channel strategy. Avoid over trading and be disciplined to your trading plan and trading side. Remember, no trading strategy is foolproof and it is always risky to trade. Remember to use your risk management and save your money, guys. It's good to save your money very well. With that said, see you in the next video. Peace.